Hello everyone. In this video, I will be covering basic movement, interaction, and user interface. As you can see, we've just stepped out of a stasis pod. I'm using a keyboard and mouse. I can use the arrow keys or click to move around. You may also tap on a touchscreen or use the directional pad on a gamepad controller. So I can move around north, south, east, and west. I may also do shift and up, down on a keyboard to move up and down. I can also click the names of any exits here. All right, from top left in the UI, we have the name of the area that we're in, our coordinates within that area. We have a message feed, which I can hide. Our message feed has multiple modes. Normal, where we see most messages. Verbose, where we see almost literally everything that happens. And then quiet, where we only see the most important messages. I would suggest that we start on normal mode. Back here to the left side, we have three pools. We have our health, our energy, and our focus. Health determines whether we are alive or not. Once this hits 0, your vessel will die, and you will be kicked back to the vessel access terminal to select a new vessel. Our energy determines our ability to perform physical actions, whereas our focus determines our ability to do mental actions. Physical actions include moving about in the world. So you see, as we move, we will drain our energy. However, outside of combat or other crises, the energy is restored pretty quickly. Just below that is our scanner. Our scanner gives us, at a glance, information on items that are in the same area as us, including items we can pick up or interact with that are not alive, entities that are living, and other vessels in the world. Here I can see the stasis pod that I came from. You can click or hit enter to select an item in the same space as you and interact with it. You'll be presented with a description of the item and a menu. In this case, I can touch the stasis pod and have a sensory experience. Wonderful. You can do that for pretty much anything else in the world of Mnemosyne, including living things. Here in the bottom left of this map view, I can see the experience that I've gained, as well as theans, which are a form of currency used in the world of Mnemosyne. I can see any ongoing effects. And then, just below this map view is a toolbar with a set of commands. These commands also each have a keyboard shortcut. I can click or tap on the button or use the keyboard shortcut to open each of these. And that is what our next video will be about.